10 years, I suspect less. In 5 years, I'm less optimistic because I'm just picturing, that it's like crack the whip in ice skating. If you grew up in a wintry climate or whatever, the lead of the whip, it takes a long time for the tip of it to catch up. And often societal movements are like that.
So if you think it's bigger in 5 years, and then you got, 5 more years of young people that grew up under this out there in the world and decision making and all that sort of stuff, I don't know. I don't know if it turns around.
And finally, and briefly, you remember that biologically male shop teacher in Canada who began teaching class while wearing a blonde wig, tight bicycle shorts, and most notably, obscenely large prosthetic breasts with protruding nipples. The Halton District School Board just ruled that it is important to recognize the impact that dress code policies have on members of the transgender community. So therefore, the shop teacher gets to wear that bizarre, sexualized Halloween porn costume while teaching shop class.
And we still think he was trying to make the point or not?
Well, at one point, there was a fair amount of chatter that this guy's an activist who thinks all this stuff is insane,
right,
and he's driving it to its logical, insane extreme.
Yeah,
I can't back that up.
That almost has to be the case, that he went super cartoonish to see, okay, what's the limit here? But he hasn't shown his cards yet.
Well, and the progressive sickos have called his bluff. They said, yeah, go ahead and wear it in front of the children.
Oh, progressive sickos. More on the way. Xi versus Trudeau. Who came out on top? Stay with us.
Arnold and Getty.
Terms and conditions posted. Text play.us. Texting rules for recurring automated marketing messages. Message data rates may apply. Reply stop, top, terms and conditions apply. Visit ISSA online for details.
Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Looking for something different that's flexible, fulfilling, and pays well? How'd you like to get paid to work out? Now you can with ISSA, the global leader in personal fitness certification.
There's a huge demand for certified personal trainers right now, and once you get ISSA certified, they guarantee you'll get a job. Trainers can make as much as $200 an hour. Yes, I said $200 an hour. And with ISSA, you can be certified in as little as 4 weeks. Just text ACT to 323232 now to get started for free. You do everything at your own pace and 100% online.
Pursue your passion in specializations like yoga, nutrition, or strength training. Live your life on your terms. Get certified and train like you want. Start your own business, work at a gym, or make health and fitness your side hustle. Whatever works for you. Just don't wait.
Get started today and be certified in as little as 4 weeks. Just text ACT to 323232 right now to get started for free. Text the word ACT to 323232. Text ACT to 323232.
Hi, Lisa Booth here for Bishop Gold Group. Well, here we go again. Just when you think the stock market's recovering and everything's going back to normal, here comes another downturn. So what are you going to do? Put all your money in cryptocurrency? Yeah, right. The answer is, and has always been clear, it's gold. The company that I trust is Bishop Gold Group. Bishop Gold Group can advise you on investing in gold and gold IRAs. A gold IRA has the same tax advantages of a traditional IRA while giving you protection by owning physical gold. Now is the time to act before it's too late, and you can also get up to $5,000 in free silver with a qualified purchase. So call Bishop Gold Group today and find out how owning gold can give you control of your future and provide long-lasting financial freedom. Dial now on your phone, pound 250, keyword Bishop Gold. That's pound 250, keyword Bishop Gold, or go to bishopgoldgroup.com.
Join Hala Taha for actionable advice from the brightest minds in the world on the Young and Profiting Podcast. Author and academic Arthur Brooks on what success isn't.
The husband was confessing to his wife that he might as well be dead. And I'm thinking, whoa, what's wrong with this guy? I turn around to get a look, and it turns out to be one of the most famous men in the world. The world tells you that if you are profiting, money, power, pleasure, fame, you're going to be happy. And that's a bogus formula.
The Young and Profiting Podcast, wherever you listen.
Balance of Nature's fruits and vegetables in a capsule. Changing the world one life at a time.
I'm a physician. I've been in practice for 40 years. And when I started taking this, I don't like medicines, and I probably have taken more people off medicine than I put on it. And so I looked at it, and it's pretty much a natural element. There's no question in my mind, knowing a lot of patients, that people my age, 60 and over, do not eat right. And they certainly don't get the appropriate nutrients through the vegetables, fruits, and things like that. But I think that it supplies the building blocks that your body normally would use to heal itself, and if you don't get them, you don't heal right. So it's amazing. I mean, I'm doing what I did 2 years ago.
Start your journey to better health. Call 1-800-246-8751 or go to balanceofnature.com to get free shipping. And don't forget to get 35% off your first preferred order by using discount code KSFO.
Do you suffer from any type of chronic neck or back pain? Whether it's a bulging or herniated disc, sciatica, spinal stenosis, or even bone-on-bone arthritis. You've probably tried most doctors and get little relief, or are told dangerous medications and surgeries are your only option. Dr. John Filippini, the Danville Disc Doctor, has more options for your treatment than ever before. With state-of-the-art equipment and an integrative medical office, you can have 80 to 100% relief within a few treatments to a couple of months. Dr. Filippini has helped thousands of patients, but he's never seen such great results as he has in the last couple of years. This is due to individualized treatment programs that fit each patient's needs and budget. Depending on the treatment, insurance may cover some or even all of your program. Call Dr. Filippini at 925-999-4067 to get in on his $39 exam special, or visit DanvilleDiscDoctor.com for more information. That's 925-999-4067 or DanvilleDiscDoctor.com.
Managing your online presence takes time, effort, and expertise. It can overwhelm even the savviest business owner. So, meet Cumulus Boost. We're experts at boosting the online presence for businesses of every type. We make sure potential customers can easily find you and really like what they find. Your website, online listings, consumer reviews, and more. Cumulus Boost. Online at cumulusboost.com. CUMULUS Boost.com.
Tickets went on pre-sale yesterday, and there was such high demand that Ticketmaster crashed. Everyone was furious at Ticketmaster, so they posted this message basically just telling people to be patient. Yeah, be patient. Obviously, that didn't go over well, so then Ticketmaster posted more updates. First, there's, if you're waiting in a queue for tickets, keep waiting, nothing will happen. That's not going to help. Then there was, sure, try calling us. Then they said, your screams only make us stronger. And finally, we're sorry for the inconvenience, but that'll be a $200 inconvenience fee.
$200 inconvenience fee. Yeah, I like the try calling us. God, I've had so many businesses like that. Yeah, good luck. Try calling us.
That's good stuff, Jimmy. Well said, brother.
Maybe you could use Ticketmaster to get tickets for Elton John at Dodger Stadium for the final time. Playing 17th, 19th, and 20th. What's the day? That's tonight.
Any moment now.
So that's tonight, and Friday and Saturday? Saturday and Sunday? But anyway, Elton John at Dodger Stadium, where he's had some historic, giant concerts. And of course, he's a very, very old man now. But anyway, enjoy that or don't.
And that'll